Good morning. It is Wednesday, June 25th, 2025. It's been a while. So yesterday was 100 degrees here, but as you can see, it's a beautiful day. It's not as hot today. So we have to finish up some things. All of this wood is going to go down by the garage whenever that gets built. And I'm going to build a firewood shed here, 14 by 8. So the wood will be close and I can get new wood soon instead of waiting until January like I did last year. And this firewood shed that I got the floor in, I'm just going to make that like another little shed so I could store stuff. I got to unwrap all this wood. And the purpose of today, though, is to show you the garden. As you can hear, it's very quiet except for the birds. So there's the greenhouse, and that automatically opens when it gets a certain temperature in there. But I wanted to show you the garden. Which I haphazardly just put together to get something in there, but it's been here for a little bit now. So I put in the soaker hose before the heat wave hit. And oh, there's a flower on one of the cucumbers. There's a couple more. This cucumber. Oh, and I got a strawberry. And then these are the peppers. Oh, they look like they're going pretty good too. Obviously it has to be weeded. And then we got the lettuce and rosemary and basil and parsley. And I got 4, everything's heirloom by the way. I got 4 tomato plants. So that's pretty cool. And then over here we have broccoli, which is really kind of growing. Ooh, look at that. Nice little broccoli thing. And then there's onions. I guess I got a lot of onions. I bought like a bag of like little bulb ones. So that's the deal there. And this will be a project. I found a local neighbor, Troy, so thank you, Troy. It's going to help me kind of set this up. Going to have to get some either 4x4s or 6x6s and put a little dirt in there. I have a little extra here. But the next project is going to be to fix this deck. And as you can see, properly insulated. You can see, maybe you can see, the insulation is in. So that's all going to be done. And then it has to get jacked up a little. And then blocks put in between this. So that's going to be the next project, hopefully next week sometime. And there's the mulberry tree that I got that survived the winter. And so that's very cool. And what a beautiful day. Probably going to make this a 10 by 10. And I got the fire permit, so be able to burn that. And that's basically about it for now. Well, at least I got something in. So it'll be the first time I had a garden in a while. An actual garden since Remsenburg, actually. It'll be time to mow this again. The property property goes all the way back there. It's really pretty. I love when the sun goes through the forest kind of thing. And I filled in around the septic tank with some dirt. And there's the John Deere. Alrighty. So, until next time, God bless. Everybody stay safe.